myself, my schoolmate, my girlfriend, my fiancé, my bride, and now, my wife. You always root for me. You cheer me on. You are my biggest supporter. Sa ML, you are my Angela to my Roger. Sa aking taga-Quezons. Sa anime, you are my Hinata, and I'm your Naruto. You complete me. That is why I bow in front of our family, Ninongs, Ninangs, friends, and of course God, to care, protect.
The first time I saw you, I knew you're the one. Hindi ako mahilig sa crush-crush, pero crush kita at first sight. Ang dami kong ginawa para mapansin mo, at buti na lang favorite talaga ako ni Lord. Mission accomplished, di ba? In our 10-year relationship as girlfriend and boyfriend, napakadaming nangyari at ikaw ang isa sa pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay. To you, my dearest husband, I can't thank you enough for everything, but I will always say thank you. Thank you so much for the love, and I promise to love you more and cheer you in your best moments and cry with you in your worst. I love you.
Please guys, please! One more, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!